Actually, the Indians used to eat these as well. They had to bury them in the mud for up to 2 weeks to pull the tannic acid out, and then they would eat these. Another tree we have down here is the red buds, which people come from all over in March and April to see up in the foothill area. They bloom in March and April, and they're really, really pretty trees. We also have some pines down here, the ponderosa pine, which this is what the needles look like of the ponderosa pine. Pine cone from the ponderosa pine, and then this is their bark. They have kind of a unique bark. Yeah, go ahead. Sure. This is a Jeffrey pine. We have Jeffrey pines down here as well. Bigger pine cones than what the ponderosa pine cone are. And then incense cedar. We also have those down here as well. Another tree that's kind of nice to smell, which these don't really have their fragrance anymore. We have California bay trees. This is what the leaves look like. And if a lot of people use bay in soups and things like that for seasoning, if you tear one of the leaves, you can smell it. It has a really good fragrance. This doesn't really have a fragrance anymore because it's drying up, but really good smell. Another plant that a lot of people ask about that we have down here is the yucca plant. I don't see any close to here, but it's you'll see a huge stalk that shoots up and has a lot of white flowers at the top. They can get up to 15 feet tall, and at the bottom you'll see a lot of these that kind of grow out the bottom of the yucca. And the Indians used to use these to weave together to make baskets and for their huts and things like that.